Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open a camera with a double twist on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and what we're going to do is we're going to open up our phone. We're going to go to settings, and here you want to go to gestures. So the gestures are right here when you scroll down close to the battery. What are we going to do next is we're going to simply scroll until we see the quick capture. Now we want to enable it, and now to use it we need to rotate it twice. And as you guys can see, you can also revert the camera like this. You can turn it on, revert it, and turn it back to the state it was in. So it's just a movement that you just rotate your wrist twice right here, and that's how it works. So that's how you guys can use it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.